It's a really exciting stage now, actually. We've been going through a massive change in technology and in advancements in that area. I think probably the biggest single thing, though, has been the application that we all have in the palm of our hand, and that's our mobile phones. The change and advancement in mobile technology has just been extraordinary. And the adoption of those devices throughout Asia has been quite incredible. In fact, they've adopted more readily to that than to the email process. So Asia kind of almost skipped the email technology platform and has gone straight to mobile. What does that mean for all of us in the exhibition industry? It means that we're able to connect to our attendees better now than ever before. And that's what we're seeing as a huge step for the future. Being able to provide an incredible form of connection between the buyers and sellers like never before, and bringing that in so that at the peak time of the year when the event takes place, they have the opportunity to meet face to face. So that buzz and that ability to do that with mobile is just fantastic. There's many different types of applications. So there's anything from actual registration on the mobile web right through to more electronic show guides, buyer-seller matchmaking, appointment scheduling, personalizing agendas. And the fact that you have an app, you can check in when you first download that app, check in, and then that way, as an organizer, you can push notifications out to those attendees free of charge. You don't have to pay for any SMSs or anything. It's going through the app itself. Also, it's easier to monetize. We've noticed that a lot of corporates are really looking at providing sponsorship for anything on a phone. It's the latest gimmick, so everybody's looking at that. It's a good extra income stream that potentially didn't exist before. I think they're all excited, and I think that the other problem that they've got is that there are an enormous amount of variety to choose from. So they're starting out and they're looking around, and suddenly there's an app for that is everywhere. And so I think before they start, they should concentrate and work out what their strategy is. Build a strategy first, work out what they want that app to do, what platforms they want. Is it iPhone? Is it BlackBerry? Is it Android? How they want to deploy it, and then build it into a marketing plan. So really think about the strategy of who you want to use it, how you want to deploy it. It's very important instead of just grabbing one off the shelf. We've already rolled out just over 20 in the last 6 months alone, and we're planning for an enormous amount next year as everybody works on rolling those apps into the strategy. But more than that as well, I think the other thing that we're noticing is as the advancements are happening with geolocation as well, we're building that in. So not only are you giving them just a standard electronic show guide, but you're actually giving them the ability to see who else is around them within their network and potentially locate where they are on the show floor and to meet. So it's a real marketplace. The online world won't go away, and the online world is actually making our offline world, our face-to-face world, even more important as we all become far more online with everything we do. We're actually cherishing those few face-to-face times we get. So for us, I think it's important that the industry works out how to make sure that they get all the benefits of the online world and bring it into this space.